The house that stole her freedom. The truth behind Tuya Tuya's story. The first time the house opened, people said it was a miracle. Its wide doors unfolded like something alive. Like a gift being revealed, smooth white walls reflected the sun. And its glass window showed a version of life that looked clean, organized, and, most importantly, better. From the outside, it looked like hope. But Tuya Tuya would later understand. Not everything that opens is meant to be opened. Some things, like Pandora's box, carry more than they promise. Before the house, there was no need to explain life. Tuya Tuya woke with the light, not a clock. She moved with her family across the land, not because someone told her to, but because that was how life flowed. Food was gathered, not scheduled. Laughter came freely, not when a camera was ready. No one watched. No one judged. No one edited. Life simply existed. And it was enough. When the old lady returned for the second time, everything changed faster. This time, she didn't just talk about helping. She talked about growth, about building something bigger, about sharing the story with the world. We can do more now, she said. Her voice brighter, sharper. People care, they want to support you. Tuya Tuya didn't fully understand what that meant. But she noticed the difference in tone. The kindness was still there, but it had direction now, purpose, urgency. Soon, more people arrived, more equipment, more plans. The house became busier than ever. Inside, it no longer felt like a quiet place. It felt like a center of activity. Voices echoing, footsteps moving quickly, cameras being set up again and again. Today we film cooking. Tomorrow we film hunting. Next week we film daily life. Daily life. The words felt strange. How could life be daily if it was planned days ahead? At first, Tuya Tuya tried to live as she always had. But the camera followed. If she walked outside, someone adjusted the angle. If she spoke, someone asked her to repeat it. If she laughed, someone said, "Wait, do that again." Her life was no longer just happening. It was being captured, then corrected, then captured again. The old lady was careful. She didn't let strangers come too close anymore. If tourists tried to take photos, she would step in immediately. No pictures. She would say, "This is private. This is respectful." But respect in her hands had a different meaning. Only her team could film. Only her version could be seen. And the more control she had, the more the story changed. Online, everything looked perfect. The video showed a peaceful life, a strong family, a beautiful connection to nature. And always, somewhere in the background, the house, clean, helpful, present. People watched and felt something. Emotion, curiosity, sometimes guilt. And they responded the only way they knew how. They sent money. "We are helping them grow," the old lady would say, smiling at the screen. But Tuya Tuya began to notice something. The money didn't change her freedom. It changed the expectations. More views meant more filming. More filming meant less rest. Less rest meant less life that wasn't watched. One afternoon, Tuya Tuya tried to leave early with her family to follow the old paths they used to walk. But a voice called her back. "Not yet. We need you for one more scene. One more scene." It sounded small, but those small moments began to build into something heavy. She stayed. The house started to feel different. Its walls, once just walls, began to feel like boundaries. Not locked, felt limiting. She could still step outside, but not without being called back. She could still speak, but not without being guided. She could still live, but not without being seen. At night, Tuya began to notice the silence inside herself. Not the peaceful silence of the land, but a quiet confusion. Was she when no one was watching? And when someone was watching, was she still herself? The old lady never spoke about control. She spoke about opportunity, about impact, about the importance of sharing this culture with the world. But culture, Tuya realized, is not something you perform. It is something you live. And once it becomes performance, something begins to disappear. One evening, Tuya sat just outside the house watching the horizon. The sky stretched endlessly just like before. Nothing in the land had changed, only her place within it. Behind her, the house glowed softly, alive with movement and plans and ideas. In front of her, the world remained open, untouched, waiting. Somewhere far away, someone watched a video of her life and felt inspired. They shared it. They donated. They believed they were helping. And maybe, in some way, they were. But they did not see the full truth. They did not see the moments that weren't filmed. The hesitation before a smile.
Yeah.